Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Theory Guru. In today's video, we are going to understand the incremental model in software engineering. Okay, definition. The incremental model is a software development approach where the system is divided into smaller parts, increments. Each increment is designed, coded, and tested separately. The customer gets working software early and new features are added step by step until the final product is complete. Okay, so let's start. See, the incremental model is a development approach where software is built step by step in smaller parts called increments. Okay, instead of waiting for the entire project to finish, we develop and deliver the system in pieces. Okay, each increment adds new features like, and finally all the increments combine to form the complete system. Okay, how it works: steps. Requirement analysis: gather complete system requirements, but instead of implementing everything, divide them into small increments. First is requirement analysis. We start by collecting all the requirements of the system, but instead of implementing everything at once, we break them into small increments. Then system design. Plan the architecture so that features can be added one by one. See, we create an overall design so that each increment can fit perfectly into the system. Third is develop first increment. Start with a basic core version of the software. See, we develop a basic core version of the system with limited features, and this version is delivered to the customer for early use. Then testing and feedback. Test and increment. See, the increment is tested and the customer provides feedback. Okay, add next increment. Based on feedback, add the next set of features. Repeat design, coding, testing. See, now we add more features in the next increment, test again and deliver it. Then this cycle continues until the entire system is completed. Repeat design, coding, testing. Okay, then final integration. After all increments are complete, integrate everything into the final system. See, in the end, all increments are combined. Okay, all increments are combined, forming the complete, fully functional software. Okay, now let's talk about the advantages of incremental model. Working software is available early. Client feedback after every increment. Easy to test and debug smaller models. Reduces risk compared to waterfall. Flexible new features can be added easily. See, the customer gets working software early. Okay, then feedback after every increment improves the system. Then easier to test and debug smaller models. Then reduces overall risk compared to waterfall model, and new features can be added easily. Okay, disadvantages of incremental model: requires a good planning and design. Integration of increments can be complex, not suitable if requirements are completely unclear. See, it requires very good planning, okay, and design. Integrating multiple increments can be complex, and if requirements are not clear from the beginning, it may create confusion. Okay, simple example: imagine you are building a mobile app. In the first increment, you only create login and sign up. In the second increment, you add profile management, and in the third increment, you add chat features. Finally, after all increments, you have to complete app. See, example is like in the first increment you just make login and sign up, then second increment you add profile management pictures, and in the third increment you add chat features. After all increments you have the full app ready. Okay, in short, the incremental model build step by step, deliver early working software and improve continuously with feedback. See, the incremental model is all about building software step by step, delivering early and improving continuously with customer feedback. Okay, that's it. Thank you.